Let's make very easy, very quick one-pot chicken rice. Take some oil in a pan. Add half sliced onion. Fry this until translucent. You don't want any brown color on the onion. Lemon seeds. Keep frying. Onions are light pink. Add garlic and some green chilies. Fry this for a few more seconds. I'm gonna add 5 chicken legs in there. You can use whatever part of chicken you like. Now I'm gonna fry this until the chicken is nice and brown. So I've fried the chicken and it's nice and brown now. I'm gonna add 1 chopped tomato. Mix this. Add a teaspoon of coriander powder, salt, black pepper. Mix this and cook this until the tomatoes are soft. Some red chili flakes as well. This is optional. Masala is cooked. I cooked this for about a minute. So I'm gonna make 2.5 cups of rice. So for that I will need about 4.5 cups of water. So I'm gonna add 4 cups of water and I'm gonna add half cup of milk. Mix this and I'm gonna cover and let the chicken cook for about 10 minutes. So the chicken is cooked. I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes. So the chicken has cooked for about 10 minutes. Now these are 2.5 cups of basmati rice that I washed thoroughly and soaked for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna add the rice. Give it a good mix. Now we have to cook the rice on medium-high heat until the water is reduced. The water is reduced to this level. Place some green chilies on it. Cover and cook this on the lowest heat for about 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. The rice cooked. The chicken is cooked. Look at the rice, how fluffy they are.